Breaking news in the foldable world. Xiaomi just unleashed the Mix Flip, and smartphone giants are shaking in their boots. This isn't just another flip phone. It's a full-blown revolution packed into your pocket. And trust me, after seeing what this beast can do, you'll be questioning every other foldable on the market. Picture this. You're holding a device thinner than most credit cards when unfolded. A jaw-dropping 7.6 millimeters. Lighter than your house keys, just 190 grams. Yet powerful enough to replace your laptop. That's the Xiaomi Mix Flip experience, where cutting edge meets everyday convenience. But let's talk about the real showstopper. That magnificent 6.86-inch Ultra AMOLED display. With a Retina Serene 3000 in its peak brightness, it outshines every competitor. Literally, watching HD or content feels like holding a miniature IMAX screen in your hands. And with 120 Hz adaptive refresh, every swipe, scroll, and animation flows like liquid silk. Pro tip: don't demo this display in stores unless you're ready to ditch your current phone. Immediately, now leaning close for the camera magic. Xiaomi partnered with legendary Leica to create a photographic powerhouse. The dual 50MP system, main plus to X telephoto, captures absurdly detailed 8K video. We're talking see report clarity. Night mode, more like daylight mode. The Mix Flip's low light performance will make your eyes question reality. And that 32MP under display selfie cam? Your Instagram feed isn't ready for this upgrade. Performance junkies, brace yourselves. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset inside makes other phones look like toys. We're talking console-level gaming, instant app launches, and buttery 4K video editing, all while staying ice cold. Choose between 12GB or 16GB RAM configurations because apparently, Xiaomi believes in overkill, and we love it. Here's where things get really interesting. That 4-inch outer display isn't just a notification panel, it's a full smartphone experience. Check emails, control music, even take high-quality selfies without unfolding. The 460p PI density means everything looks razor-sharp. No squinting required. Battery anxiety gone. The 4780 mAh cell lasts all day. And 67 West charging means 0 to 100% in your coffee break. No wireless charging. A small trade-off when you're getting this much innovation elsewhere. Now the mic drop moment. All this future tech starts at just $1,199. That's hundreds less than the competition while outperforming them in key areas. Xiaomi didn't just make a better flip phone, they reinvented what pocketable tech should be. So let me ask you, when you can get Leica cameras, a brighter-than-sun display, and desktop-grade power in a device that folds smaller than your wallet, why would you settle for anything less? The foldable future is here. The only question is, are you ready to flip your expectations? Drop a comment below. Would you switch to the Mix Flip? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing tech reviews.